In a dramatic turn of events, Iceland's Reykjanes Peninsula has witnessed a powerful volcanic eruption, prompting evacuations from one of the country's most famous tourist destinations, the Blue Lagoon geothermal spa. The eruption began at 9:45 a.m. local time, near the town of Grindavik, sending up plumes of smoke and lava. Authorities acted swiftly, evacuating around 40 homes and relocating tourists from the area. The eruption follows a series of earthquakes that hit the region earlier in the morning, signaling the heightened volcanic activity. Residents had already been evacuated a year ago when this volcano reawakened after centuries of dormancy. The volcanic fissure, now measuring approximately 1,200 meters in length, continues to spew lava toward the surrounding area. Thankfully, there have been no reports of injuries, and flights have not been affected. However, the roads leading in and out of the region remain closed, and local infrastructure has been impacted, with a pipeline break confirmed in the northern part of Grindavik. Experts suggest that this eruption could be part of a longer-term volcanic cycle, potentially lasting for decades or even centuries, as similar eruptions have occurred in the region before. The lava flows have not reached the capital city, Reykjavik, and ash clouds have remained relatively contained, causing no major disruptions to air traffic so far. Iceland, sitting above a volcanic hotspot in the North Atlantic, is home to numerous active volcanoes and attracts thousands of visitors each year to experience its dramatic landscapes, including geysers, hot springs, and, of course, volcanoes. Stay tuned to Global News Roundup for further updates on this developing story.